Alright, I think you're ready for the big guns here. Let's move on to the extrusion tool. So if I create a cube and I right click and I go to face mode, we know we can make our cube longer. But what we can also do is we can extrude this so that everything stays here and we pull out another face. We do that with a Control E. So go ahead and try a Control E with that face selected. We'll bring this guy out. And let's do another one. Let's come over here. Let's do another Control E. And let's do one more. Control E. Now hit 3. And you just created this object. We'll call it an earbud for headphones. So you can see that the extrusion tool is powerful. That's how we build objects. You can see how when they're smoothed out, they often make more complex shapes, but you start off with the basic building blocks. So if you were building earbuds, you actually might start off with something like this. Maybe you would take this face and shrink it down a little bit, but I was not trying to make earbuds. I just thought it looked like that. And then when you hit 3, you get this. So play around with that. Go ahead and just grab some faces, Control E to extrude them, and just every once in a while tap 3 and then go back to 1. Oh, and by the way, if I click extrude, it'll go into the components mode, so it'll extrude directly a straight line from that face. But if I were to hit, if I do extrude and then I hit E or W, it'll now extrude from the whole object. So like this. Let me show you that again. Control E from here, goes straight out, it angles up. Control E and then W will go away from the actual center of the object. And then I could rotate this face with W and turn it. Or I could really turn it. And now when I extrude, I can go straight down. So let's see what monstrosity we've created. Huh. I can kind of see a weird whale creature. Or maybe like a vacuum. Anyway, play around. Have fun.